Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at my new updated version of my Veto bag for 2023 as an HVAC installer helper. So yeah, less talking, let's get into the bag. I have this bag for like almost 8 months, and so far I've been upgrading this bag. I got new tools, and at the Home Depot I got this for 24 bucks. So I'm gonna put this inside this bag pretty soon. So there's gonna be a major big upgrade on this bag. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got on the sides. It's still the same. Got this electrical tape. Nothing on these pockets. Pocket down here is still empty. I got nothing in there yet. On the side over here, I got my red marker and a black Sharpie. And on this pocket up here, I got myself a rigid tubing cutter. And right up here, I got myself a step bit, or the Christmas tree, I call it. And that's it for the outside skirts. So I'm going to show you guys my tools, my new loadout inside here. So I'm going to start opening up this bag pretty soon. So yeah, let's open up and see what's inside. As we open the bag up, you can see that I did a little bit of a upgrade on this tool bag. Not too much, but just a little. So as you can see, I got myself some gloves. Always keep your hands protected at all times. I'm gonna do it the same way as my previous video. So I'm gonna work my way from the top all the way to the bottom. So we're gonna start from the left. Right over here, I got my service wrench with its service key. It got into a puddle, so it looks like this. Right over here, I got myself a whittle maker. Or electrical voltage tester with a flashlight. Pretty cool to have. Right over here, I got myself a magnet from Craftsman. And over here, I got myself a little stubby. Or a multi-stubby. There you go. And right over here, I got myself a 90-bit from DeWalt. Right over here, I got myself my duck knife. I just keep it over here in the corner. It's not in a pocket or anything. I just leave it there. It's the best spot that I could figure out where to put it. It doesn't fit in any pocket. It just stays there. So it's pretty good to have. My duck knife. Right over here, I got myself a 10-inch crescent wrench. And if I could get it, my 6-inch crescent wrench. This is pretty much what you need for like TXVs or other little service valves or for the caps. And yeah, pretty much these are the two sizes that you need, really. And over here, I got myself a flathead beater. It's been through a lot. If I had to take something apart, I go to this. So, yeah. And right over here is a new addition. I got myself some lineman pliers. These things are heavy, but you could also use this as a hammer sometimes, but it's really good to have. They cut wire like butter, so I love this tool. Right over here, I got myself 2 channel locks, the Knipix Cobras. These things are awesome to have. And right over here, I got myself channel lock needle nose pliers with wire cutters in the middle of it. So yeah. Right over here, I got myself a torpedo level. Make sure that things are leveled. And over here, I got myself some Milwaukee diagonal cutters. Right over here, I got the Milwaukee wire strippers. I love these things. They're in the offer right now. And I need to put some WD-40 on these wire strippers because I dropped them in a puddle. So I need to loosen them up. So yeah. I love these wire strippers. And right over here, I got myself a PVC cutter from Husky. And over here, I got my mirror from Husky. And this is a little magnet, so you could put whatever screws on here as well. It could hold it. This is another pocket. I don't have anything in here yet. But right here, I got my trusty headlamp. My headlamp. And I think that's it for the front pocket. So yeah, time to turn this bag around and show you guys the back. As we flip the bag around, put this down, unhinge this, and we open it. That's the back of my bag loadout. So yeah, I don't have a lot compared to last time. So I got a little bit of new stuff here in here, but as you can see, I got myself a 12-inch extension bit, 5/16 1/4, and a 6-inch extension bit, a little Malco. This is a Malco as well. A Phillips bit, 7/16 3/8, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch, and a measuring tape. This is brand new. This is a field piece temp probe. Allen keys. I keep forgetting the name of it, but it goes for my climb meter. I still have the same one. My glasses. And right down here, I got this thing for the rooftop to tie down some bolts from up in the roof for the AC unit. And I keep nothing in the back over here. So yeah, that's pretty much all the tools that I have in this bag. So I'm gonna organize all this and show you guys the final results. All right, YouTube, this is all the tools that I have laid out from the tool bag. So yeah, there's some new stuff that I bought. These two are gonna be in the bag pretty soon. And what else? That's brand new, that's brand new, and that is brand new, that too, and that is brand new as well. So there's a lot of new stuff in this bag. I upgraded it just a little bit, not too much, but slowly but surely I'm gonna start upgrading this bag even more. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys love the tool update, and yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't so already. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a new video. And until next time, adios.